What's up, you guys? Today I'm working on my 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm working on my headlights and fog lights and turn signals. For the turn signals, I'm going with the LEDs that turn amber white and amber yellow when you turn, and then the steady white LEDs. So let me show you what I'm working on. Okay, this is what I've been working on. Already, as you can see, I already painted my grill. The grill was yellow. Yellow. Seriously? Silver. And I don't like chrome whatsoever. So I like my car red and black, as you can see. This is what I've been working on. In order for you to do it a whole lot easier, I suggest for you to remove this box here. It has 3 8mm screws. One here, and one down here. It's pretty easy to remove. I tried removing that cap from the wheel. It's my hand. My hands are normal size, so. And they still didn't fit through there. Unless your kids probably worked through it. No way. Too small. So what I've done is I removed the cap from right here. Sorry for the quality, but the cap is here. Pretty easy. It's plug and play. No scientist. You don't need to be a scientist. It's pretty simple. Plug and play. And then this is what I've used for my headlights. I used these Cyrus LED lights. I'm also using these for my fog lights also. And this is the difference that I've done. Look, this is the big difference. Look, this is the yellow. And this is the LEDs. Look how beautiful it looks. Let me see if I can show you the difference at the back. You see? Look at the yellow there. Look at the LEDs. This is the flickering. Right here is yellow. Let me see if you can see it on this side, which is yellow. You see? Yellow. I went from yellow to white LEDs. Because I don't like that yellow there, but if you need to turn, you won't have no problem because it will go from white to yellow. No problem. You won't have no problem. But look at the big difference. You see? That's what I'm working on. Now for my other side, I'll suggest for you to move the intake, this air box here, because in order for you to work on the light, this air box will be in the way. So I suggest for you to move that, and from there, easy. So that's what I've done. Yellow. That's what I've been working on this. So hopefully this video you guys get to enjoy. I know I will. Once I'm done, I'll continue posting. I'll show you the complete. Once I'm done, I'll show you completely what I've done. Okay, this is what I've been working on. As I told you, you got to remove this air box here. It's a biatch, but I got it. As you can see, I already went for the amber. Just got to go for my headlights, which is in that little corner there, and it should be all done. But you got to remove the whole. If you could just remove this air box here, it would be so easy for you, but I don't feel like removing all of that. As you can see, move this part here. If you move this part here back, put your hand through here, you'll be able to take out this turn signal light out. As you can see, I did. Now it's time to put it back inside. It's been a biatch, but it shouldn't take you no more than, I would say, for your headlights and your turn signals, no more than an hour. And if you're pretty fast, I know you could do it a whole lot faster. So now let me put all this stuff back together, and show you how I've been so far. So now this is the final view. As you can see, how everything was done. Good to go. It takes about an hour, like I said. It's all good to go. See you on my next video.